Hey everyone, if you are a 6th semester student, you know that project phase 1 is here. Let's be honest, many students are downloading the projects from GitHub or from other websites. Guess what? It can lead to many problems. Some of the common problems faced by the student are code not running properly or there is no proper documentation in the website. The main problem is the student is not understanding about the project which he has downloaded from that website. Why take the risk when you have a better option? Welcome to Search Creators. At Search Creators, we provide the student with step-by-step guide on how to do their projects. We make sure that they understand the logic behind the code and we make sure that the student is actually learning, not just copying. Which means in our project phase 1 for 2022 scheme, we provide project for 6th semester CSC, ISC, AINDS or any IT stream branch students. We provide hands-on sessions along with it 1:1 guidance and problem solving, and along with that we provide VTU standard documentation. To join our project phase 1 program, please visit our website. Link to our website is mentioned in the below description box where you can find the registration link for the project phase 1 program.
Look at how to register to our phase 1 program. First, go to your web browser and type search creators. And now click on the first link. And once you click on the first link, now home page of our website is visible. Here, go to University Study Materials. In that, for now, we will select Computer Science. In Computer Science, now we'll go to 6th semester. In 6th semester, look for project phase 1 and click on it. And once you click on the project phase 1, this page will be visible. Here our registration form is present. Here you have to fill the name of the student, email, phone number, like if you provide WhatsApp number, like it's preferred. Next, college name, project details, like if you have any project titles, you have to enter it here. Next, the team information, like how many members are there in your team, and click on submit.
Limited seats are available, so register soon, and if you find this video helpful, share it with your friends.